So guys, this is graphicart.com. You have to come on this website. This is the officially website of graphicart. You can see here the search key. You just click on this and then you have to type your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this all result you can hear, otherwise you go to product and then click to title of Z890. After that click to support. Then you can guys see here there are two operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so if you are using separate, otherwise you can select all. Okay, so I am Windows 11. Okay, so select operating system Windows 11. On Windows 10 also same installations process. Okay, this is your audio driver. Okay, DTS. Okay, just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically. You can see here, otherwise it completed showing here. Just single click to open. This is your DSC setups and just double click to open and then give to access. You click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. This is installed by the cmd command and wait few seconds, it will complete. So finally this is installed and then close it.